So I have this banana that's, should have ate it days ago, but now that it's so mushy, I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Now it looks all sad in the bowl, and I'm gonna take this fork and I'm gonna moosh it up. Mooshing it. Sort of mushed, and I'm gonna put some pepper and some salt. Eee, okay, and then also cinnamon. Better. Feels like a good amount. Now I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. Oh no. I've never done this one-handed before. Oh, look at me. I think I'm gonna put another one, but I'm gonna do that off camera. Using two hands is way easier, just saying. And now I'm just gonna beat this up to make a scrambled egg banana mixture. Now I'm gonna heat up some veggie oil and butter. Whoop, whoop. Oh, that's probably too much. All right, that's heated up enough, and now let's pour in the stuff. And I don't want to flip it because I'm bad at that, so I'm just gonna put a lid on it. And it's low. It's on low heat. And I always like to put that thing away from me because sometimes it steams up and you don't want to get steam right in your face. Pretty much when it's making this noise, I'm thinking it's done. Okay, so let's take a lid off. Open away from you. You don't want to get burned. Put the lid someplace there it could drip out. And let's see if I could do this one-handed. This is so much more difficult than I thought. I probably should have used a non-stick pan. But I don't have a lid that's, that works with the non-stick pan. So, well, you live and you learn. Still gonna be good, but I might have to flip it because, just the way it looks. There we go. Okay. That was my first attempt at ever filming anything within the TikTok app, and also pretty good. Mm-hmm.